Green vegetable broth. Fragrant, tasty, very easy to make, packed with nutrients, and incredibly low calorie. Again, all the buzzwords: vegan, gluten-free, low calorie, low fat. But forget those, just enjoy the flavours. Cut everything up as shown. One of the tricks to perfecting the dish is the order that you add things in, and you need to be careful with that. You look at the density and the firmness of the vegetables and use them accordingly. See how I'm using the stalk of the broccoli? That has to be the best part of the broccoli. Absolutely amazing. You could marinate the tofu for a slightly better taste. Boil the broth, throw in the broccoli, then your bok choy, put a lid on for a minute or two, then throw in the celery and the chili mix, and then the tofu. Give it a good stir round, turn the heat off. Then just pour it or ladle it over the warm bok, another stir, and enjoy.